Hey there! Welcome to this explainer. Let's talk about turning AI into your ultimate SimLab sidekick.
With all the hype lately, you might be wondering, is AI actually here to replace you?
Definitely not. Honestly, adopting large language models is just like learning to run your high-fidelity mannequins.
It just takes baby steps, right? Pick one platform, try a single workflow, and just practice.
So, superpower number 1, content creation. AI can literally jumpstart realistic patient scenarios in seconds.
Just feed it demographics and history. But hey, always verify the output to catch any weird AI hallucinations.
It's also a fantastic brainstorming buddy for creative stuff, like designing fun diabetes escape room clues.
All right, superpower number 2, lab operations. You won't believe how much this boosts your daily efficiency.
Missing a manual? Have AI summarize the equipment PDF, print it out, laminate it, and you're good.
It can even whip up the exact structure for a broken equipment reporting form in no time.
Superpower number 3 is data analysis. AI is crazy efficient at spotting your SimLab usage trends.
Just drop in your spreadsheets to summarize supply burn or course usage for that next budget meeting.
But hold on, red alert. You absolutely must strip out all student-specific FERPA data first. Which brings us to the guardrails. These are the non-negotiable safety rules for your new AI sidekick. Stick strictly to operational tasks. Do not ever use AI for student grading or performance evaluations.
Protect your confidentiality. Never upload protected health information, employee data, or proprietary documents.
If you really got to analyze documents, just paste the relevant sections and use anonymized lists.
Always keep master copies secure in school-approved platforms. Treat every single AI output as a rough draft.
Bottom line, AI is just your helper. You're the one making the final clinical and academic judgments.
AI can seriously extend your workday. So what small baby step will you test out tomorrow?